If you're into crafting, scrapbooking, or managing paper-heavy office tasks, having a reliable paper cutter can make all the difference. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 paper cutters available on Amazon in 2025, comparing Guillotine and Rotary trimmers, and helping you choose the right one for your creative or professional needs. First on our list is the X-ACTO commercial-grade Guillotine trimmer, a staple in schools, offices, and serious craft rooms. This 18-inch trimmer features a sturdy wooden base and a self-sharpening steel blade that cuts up to 20 sheets at once. What really sets it apart is its safety latch, grid line precision, and reliable performance for high-volume tasks. Whether you're slicing paper for presentations, cards, or classroom prep, the X-ACTO delivers consistent, clean cuts with minimal effort. Its guillotine-style design offers a satisfying feel and the kind of durability that lasts for years. This is the kind of tool that earns a permanent spot on your workstation. Next, we have the Karl Professional Rotary Paper Trimmer, a favorite among crafters who prioritize accuracy. With its 18-inch blade and premium carbide cutting system, this rotary cutter glides through up to 10 sheets at a time with exact precision. Unlike guillotine cutters, rotary trimmers are safer for smaller projects and more detailed cuts. The Karl model includes a patented rail system that holds the paper securely in place, ensuring each cut is perfectly aligned. Plus, it's compatible with decorative blades, which makes it a top choice for scrapbookers and card makers looking to add a creative edge. The metal base is built to last, and its clean design makes it equally at home in an office or crafting studio. For those handling heavier workloads, the Karl Heavy-Duty Rotary Trimmer is a powerhouse. This 18-inch model handles up to 36 sheets at once and is designed for cutting thick cardstock, laminated paper, and multi-sheet stacks with ease. It includes a magnetic paper guide and a precision alignment grid for perfect cuts every time. The high-capacity design is ideal for production-level jobs, photo labs, and professional printers. It's more of an investment compared to lighter models, but the increased capacity and industrial-level performance make it well worth it if you frequently cut large volume. Coming in fourth is the FISKARS Precision Rotary Paper Trimmer, a compact yet powerful option built for crafters on the go. This lightweight trimmer is popular for its enclosed rotary blade, which offers excellent safety and precision. The extended ruler arm allows you to measure larger pieces, while the transparent smudge guard ensures accurate alignment. It's especially handy for scrapbookers, teachers, and DIY enthusiasts who want portability without sacrificing performance. Though it only cuts a few sheets at a time, the FISKARS trimmer makes up for it with clean lines, ease of use, and a clutter-free design. Finally, for ultra-portable needs, we recommend the WORKLION Mini Paper Trimmer. This handheld cutter is small, efficient, and perfect for quick trims on labels, cards, photos, or receipts. It's only about 6 inches in size, making it ideal for small craft rooms, travel kits, or teachers working in tight classroom spaces. Despite its compact build, the blade cuts straight and clean, and its lightweight plastic body is surprisingly durable. While it's not built for volume cutting, it's a highly practical tool for quick projects and on-the-spot adjustment.